Hi, my name is Yuchen Liu from the Taipei Computer Association. TCA is also the project implementer of the event this time. And for about the TIE award, TIE is actually an abbreviation of the Tech Innovation Excellence Award, and it's given by the National Science of Technology Council. The word TIE, is actually also an abbreviation of the Taiwan Innotech Expo. So before we begin talk about the TIE award, we would like to briefly introduce about the Taiwan Innotech Expo. So the Taiwan Innotech Expo is actually an exhibition, technology trading exhibition gathering the Taiwan's top industry research, innovation, technology every year. So this event is actually aiming to be an international IP hub. And through this exhibition, we hope that we will help to build a partnership and to also promoting the international business opportunity and driving the industry upgrading and transformation. So this is the event actually co-organized by 10 Taiwanese government ministry. Some achievement from last year, we gathering 100 international enterprises from 24 countries, and we had host about 2,000 B2B business meeting. So about this Taiwan Innotech Expo, it's actually altogether by 3 theme pavilions. As you can see it in here, there's one is the innovation pilot, the future tech, also known as the future tech, and sustainability. So as you can see in here, the TIE award is under the future tech pavilion. So what is TIE award all about? It's actually this award to leverage Taiwan's world-leading semiconductor industry. As we all may know that in Taiwan, we're actually quite strengthened with the manufacturing for the semiconductor technology. However, we're still searching for more ideas to let us know what could be the next step, the next development for the semiconductor technology. So through this award, we want to support the growth and the development of the new global startup. And also we want to create new product and industry for manually benefit, not only for Taiwan, but for the partnership as well. So as you can see, the goal for this one is actually promote through this award ceremony. We want to promote the leading ideas and building a partnership with the semiconductor industry in Taiwan to the world as well. So something new for this year is we used to have only one category, is the semiconductor application. But however, as we all know, the issue about the climate change, global warming. So this year we expand the category into the technology of the net zero emission as well. So for the semiconductor application, if you having solution or technology that's semiconductor for smart innovation and application, and it's in related with manufacturing process, design, new materials and other technology that you are available to apply for this category. And if your solution technology is more to our like the carbon reduction technology, negative emission technology, energy transition, new energy, or any other solution that's aiming to promote the net zero emissions and the sustainable development, then you can apply for the net zero emission category. So here, since we are having a new category this year, so here is some possible scenario that you might face is, let's say for one team, if only you have one solution, but that seems to available to fit into the both category. Am I able to apply to both? Sorry to tell, but you can only choose one category. For one solution, we were not allowed to apply for 2 categories at the same time. But however, if your team having several technology or several solutions with it, then each of the solution can actually apply to one of the categories. And this is available to do it here. So here is the review process, how this thing actually go on. One of the most important deadline is the May 31st. This is the deadline for the online registration. So all applicant, you have to complete the online registration and submit the application form before the May 31st in order to move on into the next process. So after we receive all of your supplement documentary, we will start having the eligibility review. And through it, we will move on to the internal review as well. So the internal review, we will checking more about your concept paper, about the idea, the introduction, in more detailed information with your technology. And the result will be revealed by the end of the June this year. And those, we will also come out a show list for the contender, and those who have received it in the secondary review, you will be required to having a 20-minute presentation. This 20-minute presentation will include 10 minutes of the demo and also 10 minutes of the Q&A. And all the presenter, you have to deliver the presentation in English as a requirement. At the moment, the potential date of the secondary review will be on July 6 to 7. But however, the actual date of the result and announcement, please refer to the published information on the homepage. And finally, we will have the final result come out at the mid of the July. So about the entry criteria, the applicant here will define it as a startup, legal entity, including individuals or academic and research institution. So it isn't about the nationality, but all startup, but you have to be legalized, registered no earlier than the January 1st of 2015. And also, please be notified that all the applicants, you must not receive over 30% of the funds from company in mainland China. It's based on the regulation here in Taiwan. And so also all the applicants, you have most own the intellectual property rights for the technology or solution that you are applying for. For more detail, you can check on it on the guideline through the homepage. Once you finish the registration, you will see the guideline on it. So here's the review committee and the criteria. So the member of the review committee will be all the representative from the semiconductor and the green tech industry, also professor in the field of international VC and the government export here in Taiwan. Of course, not only in Taiwan, but we're also having like judge from all around the world as well. And the award-winning team will be selected after the internal and the secondary review. So for the criteria, as you can see about the percentage here, there's 30% about your value creation and your local integration, which means your problem is actually available to apply on the ground, and also you're having experience or you have the potential initiative to work together with Taiwanese semiconductor industry or companies, and also have the 40% for the application innovation. For more details, we'll leave you to check on the guideline as well. So now here it comes to probably most people interested about is the award and the prizes. So for this year, we will select winner for each of the categories. So each category will have we'll have 3 places and 3 honorable mentions. The first place will receive prizes as the 30,000 USD dollar. Second will be the 20,000, and the third place will be the 10,000. And the honorable mention will receiving 7,000 USD dollar with a trophy as well. So in total, we have 12 winners. And all of the winners, you will also receiving promotion at the Taiwan Innotech Expo, a free booth and online exhibitions. Also the free entering for the Thai Award unveil and also the award ceremony as well. Moreover, we're having support for the marketing. So you will provide the media coverage on the Thai social media. We also will give you discount for Taiwan startup co-working spaces. And last but not least, we were giving you a business matching arrangement. So you are having the chance to come visiting the tech company in Taiwan and having a chance to work with the Taiwan's top semiconductor companies. But however, please be noted that all the winning team must attend the Taiwan Innotech Expo 2023 in person and participate on the Thai Award Unveil events in October 2023 as well. If team that failed or refused to fulfill in this condition, then you will be forfeit for all the award and the prize. So here are some important deadlines, just to giving everyone a reminder again. So the deadline for the concept paper registration is the May 31st, 2023. And the eligibility and the internal review will be completed in the end of the June. Please check on the homepage to see the result. Potentially, we're having the secondary review on the July 6th and 7th. And also, most importantly, the Thai Award exhibition will be hosted this year on October 12th to 14th. And the award unveil and the ceremony that we had mentioned previously, for the moment, it will be on October 12th and on October 14th. But for all the actual day and the result announcement, please once again refer to the published information on the homepage.